Hello, everyone, and welcome to Education Foundation. And in this video, we'll be talking about a question that is related to magnetic field. So the question says a current of 6.6 times 10 raised to power 8 amps run through a straight wire. If the resulting magnetic field is 150 Tesla, what is the radius of the field? So, from the question, we are given the following parameters, which are I, which represents the current, is equals to 6.60 times 10 raised to power 8 amps. Then we have the magnetic field, which is represented by B, to be equals to 150 Tesla. Then the question now tells us to find the value of R, which is not given. That is our task. So we will be making use of the formula B, that's the magnetic field, is equals to mu naught, which represents the permeability of free space, times I all over 2 pi r. So this represents the formula for the magnetic field of a straight wire. So when we change the subject of the formula or make R the subject of the formula, it will give us this, which is R is equals to mu naught times I, which is the current, all over B, which is the magnetic field, times 2 times pi. So it is important to take note of the value of mu naught, which is the permeability of free space, to be mu naught is equals to 4 pi times 10 raised to power of minus 7 Henry per meter. So this is the standard value of mu naught we are trying to solve for the magnetic field in a straight wire. So in this case, we are now going to substitute the following our initial values that we have stated before, which is I is equal to 6.60 times 10 raised to power 8 ampere. B is equals to 150 Tesla, which is the magnetic field of the straight wire. R is not given. That's what we are expected to find. Then the permeability of free space, which is equals to 4 pi times 10 raised to power of negative 7 Henry per meter. So when we substitute the following values into this equation that we have gotten, we will now get our value of R. So when we substitute those values, it will give us R is equals to 4 pi times 10 raised to power of minus 7. This is the permeability of free space, times 6.60 times 10 raised to the power of 8, which is the current, all over 150 Tesla, which is the magnitude of the magnetic field, times 2 pi. So to simplify this, pi will cancel out pi, and then 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. So we are now going to simplify this as r will now be equals to 2 times 6.60 all over 150 times 10 raised to power 1. So this will now be equals to 0.88 meters. So in other words, the radius of the straight wire is equals to 0.88 meters. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.